Dear Alure, I am writing to nominate my husband, Darrell Jones, for the Operation Home Bath Replacement project. Darrell served in the U.S. Army as a specialist during the Gulf War. After Darrell served closer to home, working as an NYPD officer for 18 years. Life has not been easy for Darrell. He suffers from PTSD and overcoming the tragic deaths of his 2 sons in a car accident in 2021. When does the helper get help? He is there for everyone with a heart of gold, constantly volunteering his time to his family and the community. This would be a wonderful surprise for him.
You're dealing with some of the things that most veterans have to deal with. Having this is a safe place to go. Just let it all out. I stand behind Alure, and Alure stands behind me. Simplest act of gratitude. Thank you for your service. It means a lot. From the bottom of my heart, it means a lot.
Thank you for your consideration, Menzel Smith Jones.